And you may even talk to him and he doesn't even give you a hearing. Today they reported to me a case for counseling. This child has gone astray. He's a boy and he made a decision of a girl that he wanted to marry, but all the parents were saying no. And for him, he's just thinking on that. He says that if you want or don't like, many meetings have started, but this child is still sticking on that. Not because his parents don't want him to get married, but they are worried of whom he is getting to marry. Because they've been praying for him, they know all his history. And reminded me of a certain person I counseled as he was going to marry. I asked him, that person that you want to marry, did you inquire from God and he told you that you get that one? That God has stamped it. And the pastor told him, according to what is on your life, this is not the lady you have to marry. But I told him, since you are not going any far, you have not gone for introduction, get the ways of asking God so that you leave that. And he said, Pastor, don't say much, you will get ashamed. Because after you speak out, and you will see us marching. I don't want you to put yourself in shameful ways. And the pastor said that even if you bring her tomorrow, I will wait you. And he married her. But his firstborn was from another man. Do you think they are still together? This man is single. He's serving amid his thorns. People are asking him, how is the wife? How many people? Those who collected the money for the wedding. But he's carrying his cup because he refused to be talked to or counseled. I didn't want to start from there. It's only that I just started. Let me go back to Solomon, who asked for wisdom. The writer of the book that I'm going to speak about. I was making my study on Solomon. And I was asking myself, when did he write this book? Or which audience was he targeting? Now, my discovery is that he was targeting the youth. If you need more than that, you will just come closer to me and I'll show you my research that I made. As he was writing the whole book, he wanted the youth not to move according to their wisdom, that they should not trust their wisdom or their knowledge. I don't know if you're getting that. It is the reason why he wrote this book. Solomon, he was a man who did everything. He had a lot of wives, many and many. He had a lot of wealth. All kings and the wise men could come and bow before him because of the wisdom that he had. But in that same book he said, at the end he said that I've discovered that everything is happening. Now by the the time he did, he was so powerful. He was a youth. But after he discovered that everything was nothing, that's why he sat down and wrote this book. I don't know if you got that one. Because if you trust your knowledge or wisdom, it will lead you astray. You need to trust the knowledge from God.
Remember your creator in your youth.
Now back to the theme that says that let's go slow.
Remember.
If you hear the word